go outside. And I'm gonna change this to 5. So here's the first one that I made. And they got dots in them.
You ever seen this? Gone Planet of the Apes with Caesar, the gorillas that can talk and stuff. It's part 2 to it though. Part 1 is good.
This is my other song. So like recent. I don't know why I have that. It's like bluish color. Look at that dots on them too. I have dots here too. Okay, so I'm gonna poke this line. Can you hear the air bubbles? But yeah, it has air bubbles. Like for when you cook it, it has like little air bubbles into it. There, it's kind of. So, yeah, that's fine. And I can give you guys the ingredients to it. I can give you guys the ingredients to it. So, just as her tied. But the glue has to be clear, because if the glue is white, it wouldn't be this color. It wouldn't be like metallic. But yeah, it has to be clear. And so for this one,
You ready for your cheeseburger now? No.
we're talking house. Back in the house. So for this one, you have to use white glue, or else it will be nothing. And I'm nothing at all like this. Nothing at all. It's jelly. So, but yeah, it will be nothing like this. So, that's it. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys later.